Attorney-at-law Anslem Clouden is calling for the use of marijuana to be removed from the criminal laws as an offence and be legalized for medicinal purposes. In a Monday morning press conference, Mr. Clouden described the issue as a problem that should be addressed urgently.
Beginning with cancer, diabetes, hypertension, glaucoma, epilepsy, and a host of other medical conditions that Grenadians, Carriacouans, Petit Martinicans, Caribbean people in North America, England, Canada, all suffer from. And I think social justice requires that Grenadians should have access to medicinal marijuana.
Mr. Clouden, who is part of a newly formed movement advocating for the legalization of marijuana, said in addition to the herb's medicinal value, it can bring economical benefits to the country. He referred to articles published on the advantages of the herb.
MP Clement calls for decriminalization of marijuana. And he states in this article that the state of Colorado collected $300 million as revenue from the sale of this herb, cannabis, noting last year, meaning 2015, the state of Colorado collected $1.2 billion.
According to Mr. Clouden, the movement supports Parliamentary Representative Tobias Clement, and as the country gets ready for another election, the group will be campaigning for marijuana to be legalized.
What we're going to do is this. We are going to start having registers in different parishes, in different villages, manned by certain persons who share the view that this is good for them. And if we have elected representatives in Parliament, like MP Clement, then we can have legislation that would ensure the decriminalization on the one hand and the legalization for medicinal purposes on the other.
Mr. Clouden said with the use of marijuana legalized for medicinal purposes, it is his view that decriminalization for personal use should follow. He said this will avoid young people from being saddled with a criminal record for possession of marijuana, a conviction that can prevent them from traveling and attending universities in the future. Joseph McKee-Smith, GBN News.